Hello guys, this is 4 bedroom apartment. As you can see, built on a full plot of land, as you can see, and then we still have enough space in the front of the building. As you can see, it is 60 by 120, full 60 by 120. We go inside to show you the rooms. This is the side view. This is the side view. Let me go inside to show you the rooms. The rooms, you can see this is the visitor toilet. This is visitor toilet. This is visitor toilet. Here is the living room. You can see it is big house. This living room is 40 square meter. 40 square meter. As you can see, it's a big hall. This is the lobby. This is the lobby. This is the lobby. This is the lobby. As you can see, this is bedroom. This is bedroom. This is bedroom. This is toilet. This is toilet. This is toilet. This is a second room. The second room. It is built to the Lipton level. As you can see, this is the toilet for the second room. This is the kitchen, the dining. You can see it's a very big house. Very big house. Here is the dining. There's the kitchen. This is the store. You can see this is the third room. Third room and the toilet. Third room and toilet. This is also the toilet. As you can see, for the visitor, we have 2 toilets for the visitor. As you can see, this is the last room. There's the last room. It's a very big bungalow. It's a very big bungalow here in Ogun State. As you can see, you can contact us on 08063098718. Time for watching. Please like it. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. God bless you.